Namaskar everyone, this is Vanessa, the yoga therapist. Today I'm going to teach headstand, Sirsasana. I don't usually teach the student with this pose before I really know that they are ready. How do I know they are ready? Is they have a strong shoulder and also a strong core. We will first start with the alignment. How do we put our hand so that we don't injure? Number two, very important, is we don't place the weight on the head. Most of the weight is on the elbow. I also see students using the kicking up method, either by the wall or out of the wall. The kicking up method is a little bit challenging because once you are used to the kicking, it's very hard to find the balance and be very in control because you may overshoot it. And for those who are practicing from the wall, you have to know when to leave the wall. We don't want to rely to the wall so much until we cannot detach from the wall. Of course, first few times you need a safety blanket, then you will practice it by the wall. But we will want to be able to be independent, so we will practice without the wall. The other thing is the alignment, how we place our hand. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you how are we going to place the hand. We are going to grab onto the elbow and not touching. That will be the right alignment for your hand position. Then the other thing is to interlace the hand. Then you see we are creating a cupping. This part will place at the back of your head, right at the back. And where the head goes on the mat is the top part, the crown, or the flatter side of your head. Let's go to the mat and show you how we're going to use the core muscle to control without kicking, but lift up by pushing the hip slightly over the head. But your hand have to be absolutely strong, and the shoulder. The shoulder always have to go down without getting too close to the ear. Okay, this will injure your neck. Unless you are very confident, or I've seen your core is strong enough and the arm is strong enough, then we will move on. If not, we will work on the foundation, which is training the core and the arm. So let's go to the mat. Elbow close. Place the elbow down. Release the hand. Interlace the finger. Put the back of your head by the hand. Cupping. Crown of the head on the mat. Tucking the toe. Exhale, raise the knees up. You can start from here, just a few rounds, to get used to the side, the upside down side. Then we will walk. So you keep walking until you see the hip is high, stack on the body. Then you can slowly lift the leg up. Your leg will become light. So we're going to lift as slow as possible to maintain the balance, still keeping your core straight and strong. We're going to stay here and keep breathing. For beginner, you may want to gaze a little bit longer distance. Then when we come down, we don't fall on the knee, but we are going to touch with the toes. Okay, toe down. And then we don't come up quickly. We have to rest due to the blood pressure change. So once we have rested, then we can slowly come up. This will be the headstand. So if you have any question, can always contact me. But you have to make sure that your arm is strong enough, your core is strong enough to bring that up. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.